the M-Trace Electronic Test Record Software. Your digital QC companion for trusted and efficient data recording automizes and digitalizes your sterility testing and QC testing data in full compliance with 21 CFR Part 11. Automatically record a complete set of digital data for each test. This ensures full traceability and regulatory compliance, with all data recorded contemporaneously. The operator is guided through the workflow and alerted in case of deviations. This reduces the risk for human error and increases process safety. No more paper-based documentation. Instead, improve data recording and reviewing efficiency and facilitate your lab data management with advanced connectivity and integration into your existing lab IT environment. Get started by digitalizing your SOPs by creating fully customizable master test records, the so-called MTRs. These building blocks can be structured in work units such as preparation, testing, or examination. In these work units, each test point and the data that are required to be captured during the test procedure can be flexibly defined according to the individual user requirements. We will now have a look on an MTR execution for the sterility testing workflow with the work unit's preparation, testing, and examination. Depending on user requirements, workflow, and how the MTRs are defined, the process can also be adapted and applied to other use cases. To enter a sample to be tested, scan the sample label created by the LIMS using the M-Trace mobile device. This saves information, such as its batch number in the M-Trace software. Record the consumables or equipment needed for testing, based on an item list provided by the M-Trace mobile. Sample examination. To do so, The operator must first scan and identify the sample to be examined. Predefined parameters and values of the examination results can be entered into the M-Trace app conveniently, thanks to the M-Trace mobile device and the offline examination functionality. All this can be done from anywhere in the facility. Once each work unit of the workflow has been executed, a comprehensive test record is automatically generated. It contains all the recorded information on consumables, for example, reference and lot numbers, as well as expiry dates. If an incident such as recording an expired consumable occurs during testing, this is clearly highlighted in the report. The report also includes all the critical work steps carried out and confirmed by the operator, whether by voice command or by pushing the knob on the Steritest Symbio pump. Thanks to the connection between Steritest Symbio pump and M-Trace software, instrument information such as pump speed, pump pressure, and pump activity profile are automatically transferred into the report. Here, for example, we see the pump activity profile of a test. The detailed measured pressure profile is also recorded and shown here. This can be used to prove that no overpressure occurred and the Steritest canisters were not incubated under pressure, which potentially can harm microorganisms, and so can lead to a false negative result. The dedicated QA module helps to conveniently manage, review, and approve the test records directly in the M-Trace software. M-Trace Electronic Test Record Software, your digital QC companion for sterility testing and other regulated processes. M-Trace software for trusted and efficient data recording.